So over here you can see that I have a form, and now let's say what I want to do is bring in some buttons for form navigation. So to do that, on the top left you can see view right here. So I'm going to change that from view to design view. And now I'm going to pull off the form footer right here, where I'm going to add in the buttons for the navigation. So to add in the buttons, you can go around over here onto form design, and here you can see that button is an option. And once you click on this and click on any area of the form footer right here, you can select out what function you want the button to do. Let's say, for example, you want to go around and then click on go to next record right here. You can click on next, you can click on finish, and over here you can see that there's a button to navigate around onto the next record. So now I'm going to go around and click on button again. Let me click around over here. So let's say for this one, this is going to be go to last record right here. Press finish right here, and you can see that this will be the last record. Similarly, I'm going to go around over here. This is going to be go to first record right over here. Let me click on finish, and there you go. There's the first record navigation button. So just like that, you can go around and then go to, let's say for example, previous record, click on finish, and over here you can see that I have 4 buttons right here, just like this, and all of them has certain commands attached to it. So now I'm going to go around over here again, add in another button, and here you can go around onto different operations as well. You can go around into duplicate record right here, print record, save record, and so forth as well. So I'm just going to go around, add in close form right here as well, so you can see that the icons is there. You can also resize out the button according to how you like as well. And this is what you have, as you can see. So now what you can do is you can go around back onto form view, and over here you can see the buttons are here according to how we arranged it. So you can navigate around onto the next record right here, go back, or go to the first or last record right here, and that is what you have. And over here you can see that close form is an option as well. So if I were to click on this, it says, do you want to save the changes? So I can press yes right here, and what happens is that it gets closed out. So over here, if I were to open up the form, you can see that everything is here, and you got the navigation buttons right here, just like that. So that is how you can add in navigation buttons and just basically add buttons to forms inside of MS Access. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.